Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Cakes by Naz channel. Hope you all are well. Today I'm making this beautiful white and gold bridal shower cake. I got this infinity balloon gold color and some Ferrero Rocher and macaroons. I will use gold macaroons only and some white flowers. I made one buttercream cake, but customer chose fresh cream one, so I'm making this fresh cream cake. First I'm using the lace because it's a fresh cream cake, so you don't need to put edible glue or anything. It's just stick like this. Then I'm placing flowers on it. I use yellow fondant icing for the name because I'm gonna paint them a gold color. Now I'm gonna put some gold pearls on it. These gold pearls I made at home. I'm gonna show you in my next video how I made them.